Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove camera on lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. Here, camera icon is available. Just if you swipe up, camera will be directly open from the lock screen. So if you want to remove it, you can do it. Just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to the settings and click on lock screen and turn off the button against shortcuts. Just turn off this button and you will not get any camera shortcut on lock screen. See here, there is no shortcut. You can also replace shortcuts with other icons. Just go to the same settings and click on shortcuts and click on left shortcut. Click on left shortcut. By default, phone icon will be there in left shortcut, and I replace it with Google Chrome. Click on right shortcut and select any other icon here. I use my files, so camera is now replaced with my files. Put lock screen and see in the bottom right side my files are available. So in this way you can easily remove or replace camera shortcut on lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.